what is the where you are going to apply the break-even analysis, no? And what are the benefits, advantages of applying this break-even analysis? Is that in all those situations that we can identify. Here, one benefit is you can catch the missing expenses. Catching the missing expenses means identifying the any missing expenses that you have not covered previously. So to identify that, you can use this break-even analysis, and also you can set the targets of earning some amount. Set revenue targets means revenue is nothing but the earnings of the company. So that to set that targets, you can apply this break-even analysis, and you can make smarter decisions because you can identify whether the decision making is benefit to the company or not. So you can automatically you can take a smarter decisions. And in case if you want to fund the business, so funding of your business, in such case also break-even analysis is advantageous. And if you want to fix the price of the product, so you have to fix a better price, no? So in such that situation also, this is advantageous. And you need to identify whether the fixed costs are covered or not. All the fixed costs are covered or not. So in such cases, in all these situations, this break-even analysis is advantageous to the catch missing expenses. So this is one benefit. No? How in this, for example, you think that you are starting a new business. So when you start a new business, you will be spending some expenses, which you may be forgetting. So that which you have forgot, so that you are going to recover again. So when you start identifying the break-even analysis, so that means all the financial commitments that you are going to do when you start a new business, you will figure out. So if you figure out only that can be identified, which is missing. So to apply this break-even point, you will be go on starting the figure outing of your financial commitments. So automatically you will catch the missing expenses. And coming to the set revenue targets, means here, for example, if you want to earn a certain level of amount by selling your product to make you profitable. So you will be having certain target. Let us we are starting a new business. For this day or for this week, I need to earn 1 lakh rupees. That target will be there. How to reach that 1 lakh rupees can be done by using this break-even analysis. If you apply that break-even analysis, first you figure out the cost, and based on the selling price that you have fixed, you can easily find out where your what is the minimum quantity of sales that the company should do. So then automatically you can identify, and you can automatically fix the target of reaching your 1 lakh. You can plan how to reach that revenue targets. So like that, this will help you. This is one of the benefit by applying this break-even analysis. Setting your goal is an smarter decision, no? So without using your emotions, simply emotions cannot earn you. So set your targets. Numerically, you calculate, and you apply that, and you will be confident that you are going to reach that particular target if you are going to do so and so steps, if you are going to follow certain steps. So all those steps can be fixed if you are going to set your targets and if you are going to catch these missing expenses. So which will lead to a smarter decision making, and you will be in successful situation because you are going to use all the facts now. So facts will lead you to the good situations. And if in case if you want to fund your business, you have to identify, you have to plan. First, the business plan should be prepared. So if business plan is there, you can exactly identify how much you need to spend. So if you are going to identify how much you need to spend to start the business, so what is the amount with you already and what is the amount that you require to borrow from the outside? Outsiders, maybe a banker or any financial institutions or whatever may be the source. So you can identify how much you have to borrow from the outside. So that can be exactly done if you are going to identify this. You are going to apply this break-even analysis, and you are going to identify the break-even point. So that will be possible here. So your business plan will be successful, and you will be getting the funds, and you will be searching the sources from where you are going to get a cheaper rate of interest. So you will be ready, so it won't be a burden to you and it won't be any headache to you in an critical situations. And the most important thing is you need to fix the price of the product. So if you are going to identify the cost, if you are going to identify the fixed cost, variable cost, and the selling price properly, so you can easily fix the price of the product. What is the profit that you have to earn? You can, by using all these two types of cost and the profit, you can fix the price of the price. Better price can be fixed because you are going to fix certain percentage of profit, no? So that will be an added advantage. That is possible only if you are going to apply this break-even analysis. How this is done, we will see in the later coming topics by taking examples and by calculations. We will see how to fix the price of the product. What is the selling price? What is the existing price? And how much the existing price should be increased? Or if you want to increase the profit, how much prices should be increased? Or if you want to reduce the cost, what are the situations that makes to bring change in the selling price? That we will see in detail. So for that sake, this break-even analysis will be helping you. So anyhow, this will be helping you for fixing better prices of your product. And this will help you in identifying whether the total fixed costs are covered or not. So as you know that fixed costs, once it is incurred, even if you produce or even if you are not going to produce, you need to incur those costs. Like we have taken the examples of building rent or the permanent employees' salaries. As we have seen in COVID, even production is stopped. They need to pay all these things, right? And paying the electricity bills, minimum electricity bills, you have to pay, water bill, you have to pay, whatever it is there for producing your product. Compulsory some costs will be incurred, no? So all those comes under this fixed cost. So to what extent you are going to cover and how much that amount is, you can identify by using this break-even analysis. to apply this break-even analysis, and you will identify to what extent you are going to recover, okay, by selling a minimum quantity of output. So that is how this will be benefiting the companies in applying the break-even analysis.